Hey guys, as you can probably tell, we're in London. We've got an early train to catch in the morning. We are jumping on the Eurostar and heading to Belgium. It's a 5 o'clock get up time for us, so we'll see you in the morning. Morning everybody. Who doesn't like a 5 AM wake up call in the morning? We are currently at the travel lodge, the Royal Scot, near King's Cross and St Pancras. We're about to go check in for our 7 AM train to Brussels.
You guys check them out?
Yes.
I'll just take them.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Cheers.
See you later. So that was the London King's Cross Royal Scot Travel Lodge Hotel. It's about, how far is it? About a 10-minute walk?
10 minutes.
Yeah, less than 10 minutes to St Pancras and King's Cross. So if you're planning on doing this and getting an early train, it'd be a good idea to stop there. It's just a travel lodge. It does what it needs to do. There you go, look, see, we're even in time for before the market stalls are even up. So for anyone wondering, that's the entrance to King's Cross over there. And St Pancras International is just here. There's the queue. I'll record until I have to turn you off. So we leave at 7:04 and the security guys just told us that our check-in doesn't open till 5:45. So just bear that in mind when you're trying to get here early. Just downloading the Belgium train apps, because when we get to Brussels we've got to go to Bruges. That's where we're stopping for the first few nights. I think our train today is fully booked, apart from the first class section. We're about to go through passport control. See you on the other side. Departures. That was relatively simple to get through. Yeah, that was quite simple from the start of border control. It was about 5 minutes until we were on the other side. So yeah,
It's really quick.
yeah, really easy. There's not much on the other side. There's a duty-free shop and a couple of food places. It's not very big. So I suggest bringing food with you.
Yeah.
What have you got yourself for breakfast?
A chicken pasta wrap.
A chicken pasta wrap for breakfast. We've just been called to the gate half an hour before departure. You're excited?
I am. Are you?
I'm very excited. So we're this way. So we're up by the train now, on the platform. Right, this would be us. Coach number 4. Behind the step. Right, where were we sat?
85, 86.
Oh, got that.
Is it? Is it this way?
Do you want that one to go up there?
Yeah. There's also some here.
So in your seat you get some plugs, a European and a British plug, a massive table, a light and a little bit of aircon. It's a really bright light. There we go. Loads of mirrors. Yeah, just like a plane toilet, really. Well, last time we did this on the Flixbus, and it's amazing how much quicker this is. We were still trying to navigate coming around London Victoria bus station at this point. We're going in now. Right, see you on the other side. Oh yeah. Do you fancy anything?
Maybe a hot chocolate.
A hot chocolate. The card machine's not working under the tunnel. To France. I genuinely can't believe how little time we spent under the tunnel. It was about 20 minutes. Although we did spend most of it in the food cart because the card wasn't working. We're about 20 minutes outside of Lille now.
Please be advised that platform numbers will be advertised 15 minutes before departure. Thank you.
Quite a few people just left then, didn't they?
Yeah. To go to Disneyland.
Yeah, Lille is the spot for the Disneyland and the south of France trains. Brussels now in Belgium, the third country of the day.
De afgang is vooraan de trein. Volgende trein naar Antwerpen Centraal of...
Right, we're here. Welcome to Brussels.
I feel like after train station, you can't tell exactly something.
No, just feels like any other city in the world when you get off at the train station. So look. And there we go. As easy as that. We made it to Brussels Midi.
Yep.
Right.
We need to figure out our way to
Yeah.
Bruges.
We're going to end this video now, but we're going to leave a little added bit on because we've now got to find a way to Bruges, which we haven't done any planning for, so this should be interesting. Oh, Bruges is on now. I took a bit of faffing around when we got here. But it's all sorted.
Because we don't know.
Yeah. We've got a half-hour wait, then it's an hour train to Bruges. We made it on the train. Train number 2. It's warm on here. A bit more like it. There we go. Right, well, we've made it to Bruges. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.